तो 5 लोगों को 7 में से बेल दी है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने। तो हमारी क्लाइंट गुलफिशा फातिमा जो हैं, एंड मैं कहना चाहूँगा, शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा डॉक्टर अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी का, जिन्होंने इनको केस किया। इनको बेल दी है 5.5 साल के बाद। अब हमें उम्मीद है कि ट्रायल कोर्ट इनको जल्दी से जल्दी रिलीज ऑर्डर कर देगा जेल से, और गुलफिशा अपनी ज़िंदगी आगे जी पाएंगी। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने यह भी कहा है 2 लोगों का, उमर खालिद और शर्जील इमाम की बेल खारिज करते हुए कि केस जल्दी से जल्दी चलना चाहिए, और अगर 1 साल में सारे प्रोटेक्टेड विटनेस जो होते हैं, अगर वो उनका एग्जामिनेशन खत्म नहीं हुआ तो 1 साल बाद उमर खालिद और शर्जील इमाम बेल के लिए फिर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं।
1 साल से पहले नहीं कर पाएंगे वो? जी
नहीं।
तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने और भी क्या कंडीशंस लगाई हैं जब ये बेल ग्रांट करी है?
उन्होंने कहा है कि 12 कंडीशन अप्लाई करी हैं, बट अभी जजमेंट पूरा बाहर नहीं आया है, तो वो हमारे पास अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है कंडीशन।
It was a long struggle for rest of the accused. In fact, 5 have been granted bail, and 2 of them have been given time. In fact, not been granted bail. How do you react to this? What happened in the courthouse? If you could brief us.
So the 5 who have been granted bail, the Supreme Court has said that their culpability, if any, is at a lower level. And for the 2 that have, the Supreme Court has said that we are not commenting on their culpability. But because of the way it is structured, I think them in the fitness of things and judging the Constitution as well as the UAP together, they have said that 1 more year to examine all protected secret witnesses, and even if they can't do that, these 2, Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam, can reapply for bail after 1 year. Bail, we're all very happy for them, and frankly, it is 5 years too late, and we hope that they'll be able to go on with their lives.
Ultimately, 5 long years, it was a long struggle. How it went for all of you all before the courthouse, and in fact, as these 5 have been granted bail, how much big relief it is for you all?
It is absolutely a relief. Custody is dehumanizing at the best of times, and these are all young people. Some were students when they were arrested, some were going to start a job, and now we hope that they will be able to go on with their lives. So it's a massive relief for them and their families.
So what are the conditions that have been imposed by the court?
We do not know yet. It wasn't read out in open court. The judgment should be made available publicly, I think, in a couple of hours. We will know then. We hope in a couple of days.
Sir, has the prosecution defined any concrete evidence that links Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam to the conspiracy behind the riots?
Again, we have only heard the judgment of the Supreme Court about the conclusions. The reasoning was not read out. Until the judgment comes out in the public domain and is made available to us, we can't comment on that.